In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to light charcoal with the charcoal chimney. It's very easy to use. Put it upside down on your grill with the vents open and put 2 pieces of newspaper on the bottom of the chimney. Then flip it standing upright and fill the top with charcoal. I've got 2 Weber grills today, so I'm going to be lighting 2 charcoal chimneys at the same time. Once they're ready, take a match and light the newspaper on the bottom. It'll light up with a quick fire, and that will ignite the first layer of charcoal above it. It's pretty smoky at first, but then it clears out. After about 15 to 20 minutes, you'll notice that the top layer of charcoal finally is showing some signs of ash, and it's ready to be poured out onto the grill. I like pouring the charcoal on 2 ends of the Weber grill. This allows me to use indirect cooking, where I've got 2 hot areas where I can sear meat, and then a cold area in between where I can use it like an oven to cook indirectly, things like chicken, or if you're cooking things for a long period of time and you don't want to burn it. It's here I'm using a drip tray in between the charcoal, and then I put the grates and cover it for a few minutes before I put food on. The great thing about using a charcoal chimney is you avoid lighter fluid. Lighter fluid can be dangerous at times, and it can also add flavor to your food, which you might not like. I use my Weber grill for everything. I cook salmon, striped bass, chicken, steak, pork on a stick. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. If you did like it, please click like, comment, or subscribe. I'll be adding some other barbecue videos to my channel. Have a great day.